These around. Okay, we're going. I put this blanket down because, come here, babies. I'm going to, there they are in their pen. There's Mommy. I'm going to put them some food down. So, let's see if I can go get their food. Here. This is Zing. Zing, 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 bada bing. Put your jaw under your arm, Zing. Another little Zing. Let's see. I hear everybody wants out. Nana, don't get over here and snipping around. Don't get over here and snipping around my iPad. You're messing everything up. Here, let me get your food down. Here we go. Get over here. Now they have not eaten. I mean, they've eaten out of a bowl twice, so they usually kind of just jump in it, and so we'll just give them all a bath when we're done. They're having kibble. They usually have meat, but they've had meat the last 2 meals. Okay. I think this is Bling. This little Bling. This is the other little girl. She needs a collar. Oh, goodness, they're growling at me. This is a boy. So their rear teeth are erupting. They about figured out to look down to eat. There's another boy. Here's the last boy. Come here. Okay, here we go. All right, get over here. You gotta look down to eat, yeah. Look down. There you go. Look. If you'll just look down, just look down to eat. Come here, come. I know you want to sucky suck. Come on, you're going to miss your meal. There you go. That's how you eat. Okay, so, let me see them all. I've got an aerial view. And yellow boy? You're not the sharpest tool in the shed? Oh, I must run get warm wash rags to give baths before they get put back up.